guys, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this is something to match my purse that I recently got, and let's open it. So this is from the ink watercolor collection. If you are following me guys, you will see that I unbox purse, and that is from men's collection, and this one is also from men's, and I don't know if this will fit me, but we'll see if it will. And this is a pair of mules, and I think the retail cost of this is $565 US, and this is so limited that it is really hard to get the right size. I have to Google it and find out what is my size on men's collection, and it says that if you are a size 8, it should be a 6.5 size for men. And this is what it looks like, guys. It is so pretty. However, it looks like it is bigger on my foot. Well, let's find out. So this is the other pair, and this is in rubber, guys. This is in rubber, as this is supposed to be a waterproof pair of sandals, and I really like the material that they have on this mules, and it says LV here, made in Italy. So here it is on my foot, guys. By looking at this view, it looks like it fits me. However, at the side, you're gonna see that it looks like an inch longer on my foot, and it is also very loose in this side. I can fit like one finger inside, and I don't know if I'll get like this is a 6.5 in men's. I don't know if I'll get the 5 or 5.5. Will it fit my size? But the problem is it is so limited that I don't know if I'll be able to find it. But this is just a beautiful mule, guys, and I wish it fits me. After trying it on, guys, it is just sad that it doesn't fit me, as this is really pretty, and I bought this specifically to match my ink watercolor Kipal XS, and as you can see, it really matches, and I like that it is brighter in this rubber material than on the leather. Like, as you can see, this is brighter, and it is nice to have like a matching bag and a mule from this collection. So I wish I will be able to try this in the stores to find out if I can really find my size, as I'm afraid this will be like loose even if I will choose the right size for me. So now I know that being a size 8 in women's, if you'll get a 6.5 from men's as recommended by Google, that it's still way longer on my foot and loose on the width. This is just sad. I looked at Louis Vuitton website, and all of the sizes are now out of stock. So I guess I will not be able to get this beautiful mule, and I really like the material, as I've said, and it has the flower here at the side, and this is really durable, guys, and it is nice that they didn't put canvas here but rubber. Like, wear this in the pool or if you go to the beach, as this is really waterproof, as this is called waterfront slides or mule, and it is really beautiful, guys. So yeah, that's it for me today, and please do like and subscribe, as it really helps my channel. And thank you guys for watching. May all of you have a wonderful day, and stay safe, everyone.